What's up guys, I'm Nick the Boss. Welcome back to Nothing to Do Crew. Now in the last video we built the beer puppeteer prototype, and since then we've done some very extensive testing. And we finally come up with the perfect design. So in this video, I'm going to answer all your questions from the last video and show you guys how to build the Beer Puppeteer 2.0.
Seriously?
So here's version 1.0 and here's version 2.0. And if you are going to build one of these, I definitely suggest that you build two. Because it's a lot more fun to watch your friends race. They start to go faster, they start to make mistakes, and that's when things start to get fun. So now I'm going to answer your questions from the last video, and rather than go question by question, I'm just going to post all the answers right here, and you can pause the video and read them if you want. So with version 2.0, a few things have changed. With the straps down here, we went from bungees to actual straps. And these work 1,000 times better. They're easily adjustable. And also we've added these rods right here, which before you were just controlling with the 2 fingers. Now you control with the 2 rods. And it definitely makes it a lot more challenging and a lot more fun. Next up is this bottom plate down here. We shrank it down a little bit and moved a few of the eye rings around. And lastly, just for the aesthetics, I scorched the wood and then I stained it. So if you want to build one of these things, I'll put a link to the PDF below. I'm not going to actually show you guys how I built this one since we did it last time. But if you do want to see the video of me making these two, I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. And that's it for this video. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, this beer is like 4 hours old. But cheers though.